Have a quick question about your account at 2 a.m.? Fidelity's virtual assistant, Etta, is available 24/7 to help you find answers and execute simple tasks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can find Etta on the Fidelity website, often in the bottom corner, or within the mobile app. Just type or say your question, like, what's my account balance? Or, how do I update my address? Etta can provide definitions, guide you to forms, and even help you reset your password or find a fun symbol. My crucial pro tip? Use specific commands for actions. Try typing commands like, show me my dividends, transfer $100 between accounts, or search for ESG funds. The more specific you are, the better Etta can either execute the task or take you directly to the right page to do it yourself. Get instant, automated help without waiting on hold. Have you tried using a virtual assistant for your finances? Was it helpful? For more guides on using fintech tools, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.